When trying to match a function to one of these graphs, the best thing to do isn't using calculus, but to find some graphical features from this function with which to play elimination. We want to play the process of elimination game to get our right answer. So let's start with this. I'm going to find the x-intercepts of the graph. Those are the values of x that cause the numerator to be 0, and that would be x equals plus or minus square root of 2. I also want to find vertical asymptotes. So those are the values of x that cause the bottom to be 0. 4 minus x squared equals 0 for x equals plus or minus 2. Okay, so these are vertical asymptotes. These are the x-intercepts. I want to check to see that are the positions of the x-intercepts and vertical asymptotes in a place that makes sense. Bear in mind, it might help that square root of 2 is roughly 1.41. So 1.4, making sure that the x-intercepts are closer to the origin than the vertical asymptotes. Well, here we don't have any x-intercepts. Notice that the graph never crosses the x-axis, even though we've said that the x-intercepts are plus or minus 1.4. So this graph is out. This graph has more than, actually it has 1, 2, 3, 4 x-intercepts, but we said it only should have 2. So this answer must be out. And this graph has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x-intercepts, so this graph is out. And that's all the information we needed. We only needed information about the x-intercepts to determine where this graph was our right answer. You could have also done stuff like find the horizontal asymptote. So something to bear in mind in case the graphs had been different is x squared and negative x squared. Looking at the degree of the top and the bottom to find our horizontal asymptote is the ratio of leading coefficients because the degrees are the same. So we have 1 divided by negative 1. So our horizontal asymptote is y equals negative 1. That just so happens to be the horizontal asymptote here for this graph, as well as all the other graphs, but this is just additional information that you could use to figure out your right answer.